Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to A.I and then Pantech Solutions, and I'm warmly welcome you all for the series Data Science Masterclass Day 1. So this is going to be the 30 days Data Science Masterclass series, guys. And on this today's session, we are going to have introduction to data science and other subtopics, and you're going to be completely clear about the studies and how to get that to become a data scientist. So likewise, you're going to get 100% idea about complete data science and its subfields. Okay, so I hope you guys are super excited for the session. If you are super excited for the session, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. So before going on to the session, please stop telling present sir, present, because definitely saying present is not needed to show that you are present. Okay, so don't please post the present sir in the live chat, guys. Okay, so that's why here we have an announcement. So attendance link will be available in the live chat or in the description box before the live ends. Okay, at any time it may be available. So once the attendance link is available in the live chat or in the description box, you just click that link and you can register your presence. Okay, so that is the attendance link, guys. Okay, no need to say present. So you can post your attendance in the attendance link, which is going to be shared on the live chat or in the description box. So it will be available in the in between a live. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Okay, so before going on to the session, there are a lot of super excited here, guys. Thank you so much for the people who are all posting super excited. Subhash, hi Subhash, and Shyam Singh, hi, Prince Kumar, hi, Sushmita Das, hi, and Abhishek, hi, and Rahul, hi, Athira, hi, Sumita, hi, and Afroz Amar, hi, and Krishna, Shubham, Aditya Manoj, Preeti Kale, and Taufik, and Ramagiri, and Ashish, hi guys, hi, and Krishna Rati, hi, Monu Mishra, hi, Jayesh, hi, Annala Dasu, hi, Krishna and Pankaj, Shubham, Rajput, and Ramani. It is really running very fast. Thank you so much for your support and your message, guys. And Pratnya Chavan, hi, good to meet you again, Pratnya Chavan. Vamsi, IMMR, and Sheshank, and crypto programmer, and Soveg, Ravi Ranjan, Ankit Kumar, Golem, and Bhaskar, Ajit Tiwari, and Ashok. Hello, guys. Hello, all. Thank you so much for your warm welcome, guys. Hello. Thank you so much. Okay. So before going on to the session, I would like to give the introduction about our company. So guys, Pantech Pro Labs Private Limited, which is about crossing its, I think it is crossing 17th year. It is almost 18th year. Okay. So on this 18th year, actually we are the manufacturing company where we used to manufacture a lot of lab equipment. And even though in your laboratories, especially electronics and electrical, you may see in some of the electrical equipment which has been named as a Pantech Pro Labs. So that is what our age is, nearly like it is 18 years of knowledge which we are having, because we are the manufacturing company. We are not like a coaching company or like that. So we are the manufacturing company. We used to explore a lot of different kind of departments and then fields. Now we are ready to transfer our knowledge to the people who are all out there. Okay, so we are not a coaching company where we are directly jumping on to the coaching kind of thing. So we are having 18 years of experience in the product based company. So we are a product based company. Now we are ready to transfer our knowledge to the people who are all out there. Okay, so I hope you guys are super ready to receive it. Okay, if you are super ready to receive that knowledge, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, and then before going further, I really want to share some information with you, share some thing with you. So what is the thing is, these are the problems people used to face on the field of learning. For an example, even though the student, faculties, the people who are already working in a company who they want to upgrade their knowledge, people used to face some of the problems in the learning, guys. So what are all the problems in the sense? For an example, if the certain courses or if there's certain internship which is having a more content, definitely it is difficult to learn. And if it is really hard, so if the session is not precise, if it is very hard, definitely you won't learn. And if there is less application, for an example, if you are completing a certain courses, you can't even able to build a project by yourself. So that is a less application. And if the session is not interactive, with your instructor, if it is only completely like one-sided, definitely you won't learn. You will be boring and you may leave the session. and if the content is not precise. So these are all the problems. How many of you guys are really here all agree to this point? If you all agree to this point, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are the problems in the field of learning, right? So more content which is hard to learn, and if it is having very less application, and if the session is not interactive, and if the session is not precise, definitely you won't learn. You'll be feeling boring, and you used to yawn and you'll go out, right? So these are all the problems. And as well as some of the people will say a problem is lack of information. Guys, I'm telling you, the problem is not a lack of information, because if you are typing artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science in a Google or in a YouTube, you are getting millions and millions of results. So that's why I'm telling you guys, problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. Guys, I'm repeating the statement again because there are a lot of people are struggling in it. The problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload, where we are having millions of results, where we are troubling or getting troubled whenever we are going for the certain follow courses. Okay, so that's why what is the solution is what actually people need. While talking about the solution, what people actually need is what people actually need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So this is going to be given by me on this 30-day series. And the way of learning, which is application-based learning, we are going to learn everything based on some kind of mini projects. Okay, so that is all about the solutions, guys. Again, I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people guys have posted. I agree, Sanjay. I agree. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, and what you're going to learn in this 30 days? Actually, in this 30 days, we are going to cover up every concept which is be needed, basically needed for to become a data analyst as well as a data scientist. Okay, so here what you are going to learn in this 30 days. First of all, you're going to learn a main concept which is about Excel. So how to use Excel, because Excel is also a very important thing which we need to master. So Excel under some kind of some kind of functions like Power Query, tables, formulas, pivot tables, charts, and then dashboard creation. So this is going to be learned under the Excel. And then programming languages. While talking about the programming languages, there are different programming languages which you can choose it for. You can go for Python, or else you can go for R programming as well. While comparing with the R, Python is going to be very easy, and which is going to be very useful in different kind of applications. So we are going to cover up the complete Python, which is going to be needed to become a data scientist. And then we are going to see, or we are going to cover up the backbone of the data science, which is statistics. So introduction to statistics and the use case of statistics on the data. So that is what the third topic which we are going to learn. And fourth one, which is business intelligence tools. So business intelligence tools in this nothing but like Power BI or Tableau, kind of very popular business intelligence tools, which has been used by lot of companies like Google or Amazon. So a lot of company where they are using this kind of business intelligence tools. We are also going to cover up that business intelligence tools, both the Power BI and then Tableau, because guys, I've already seen in one medium where they used to sell only Power BI tool for 10,000 rupees. Power BI course, which is only for 10,000 rupees. But now we are going to cover up the both Tableau and then Power BI. And we are going to cover up the databases. While talking about the databases, we are going to cover up MySQL and then MongoDB databases. And finally, we are going to cover up both the machine learning and then deep learning. Okay, so did you guys love this 30 days agenda? Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so this is all the things, guys. So we are going to learn about Excel, Python, statistics, business intelligence tools, which includes both a Tableau and then Power BI, and then databases, which includes both MySQL and then MongoDB, and then machine learning and then deep learning. This is going to be our complete journey of this 30 days. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So before going further, so I'm Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions, and my technological expertise, which is about, first of all, I started my career by working in the technology called brain-computer interface technology. I think you guys already know about the Elon Musk, right? So if you guys really know about the Elon Musk, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat, because I think no one people will not know about Elon Musk, right? So he is already working in brain-computer interface technology by the company called Neuralink. I think some of the people may know about it. So that is the technology where I started my career. So in the picture, I wear the device, right? The brain sense device, which is our product. So that is my first technology which I've worked on my third year of my BE. So that is my first technological expertise. I've worked on brain computer interface technology by using MATLAB programming. So that's my first beginning. And then I started working on embedded system because I'm from the electronics and communication engineering background. So I used to work on embedded system microcontrollers like 805 and some of the microcontrollers and Internet of Things technology as well. And then I just moved on to this data science, which includes machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, chatbots, and those things. And then currently I'm just working on a robotic operating system as well as the autonomous vehicle. Okay, I think you guys already know about what is meant by autonomous vehicle, which is driverless vehicle. I'm just currently working on autonomous vehicle design. So this was my technological expertise. So you are going to learn from me this complete 30 days, guys. I hope you really like it, and I hope you're really going to enjoy it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that. I love this, Sanjay. I knew Elon Musk. Wonderful, wonderful, guys. Okay, so another main very important announcement. So you just going to stay till the end so that you are going to get some amazing gift by answering simple questions at the end. At the end, I'm going to ask you some of the questions. The people who are all going to give the answers for that simple, very simple questions, those people are going to get amazing gift. Okay, I hope you are really going to love it. Okay, please stay till the end. If you are going to stay till the end, you just post I will stay Sanjay in your live chat, because why I'm telling that is today we are about to give, or I'm about to give lot of values to you. The values in the sense, first of all, I think a lot of people here may have some doubts. Sanjay, a lot of people are talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, data science. So I have confusion. What is the difference between data analyst and the data scientist? How many of you people are having this kind of confusion? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? What is the difference between data analytics and the data scientist? How can I get the job? What are all the skills I need to get? Do you guys have these kind of doubts which is running in your mind? If it is, yeah, you just post it is Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if this kind of doubts which is running in your mind, you just post it is Sanjay in your live chat. Because at the first part of the session, I'm going to be cover about these kind of doubts which is going to be cleared on this first part. And second part, I'm going to give advanced bonus to you. So advanced bonus, which is about the people may have a good laptop or normal average laptop. So I'm about to cover you, or I'm about to give some bonus lecture to you, which is about Python notebooks, which is advanced Python bonus. Okay, which is not like a normal Jupyter notebook or something like that. I'm gonna cover you some of the online notebooks which you can use for Python programming. So this is the bonus lecture which I'm going to give it today. And third part, daily I'm gonna give you some interview questions. Each and every day I'm gonna give you 3 interview questions. Okay, so with the answer, I'm going to explain it though. Okay, though I'm gonna give you 3 interview questions on each and everyday basis. So that is what the third part. And fourth part, I'm going to give you today's gift task. I'm going to ask you that 5 questions or 5 to 10 questions, I think. So those questions I'm going to ask you. So you are going to complete that. You are going to answer that question to get the gift tomorrow. Okay, gift announcement, which is going to be tomorrow. And I'm going to give you mindset coaching as well. Because if you're talking about the Sundar Pichai, you can take him as a best example for the mindset. We are going to cover up, the mindset coaching as well, because you just think, guys, if the Sundar Pichai is only good at skill set, definitely he'll be an employee. Okay, other than that, he is also having lot of advanced skills. The skills such as like a mindset, decision making, problem solving, attitude, and team management. So likewise, they are having he had that kind of skills as well. So on that basis, I'm going to give you some of the mindset tips to you. Okay, and finally we are going to have a Q&A. If you guys have any other questions, please hold your questions. You are going to ask me these questions in the end of the session. Okay, so I hope you guys are really eager to know about the data science and get to the technical journey. If you are really in a eager, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm about to bring you to the data science clarity about this artificial intelligence and data science, guys. Okay, on this today's Q&A, on this today's interview questions, I'm gonna show you the hierarchy of AI, data science, and some of the things which is out there. Okay, I hope you guys are really excited. Okay, if you are really excited, you just give your responses in this poll. I'm just going to give the poll. I'm just risen the poll, guys. Okay, so I excited. Okay, so this is what the poll I just risen here. Okay, so excited. Or you guys are excited? If you are excited, you just post or you just click that yes. Okay, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that yes, 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 yes. Okay, so let us go to the session, guys. And before going on to the session, you guys tell me some of the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far, because I think there are a lot of AI based movies out there. I think you guys have been watched. Okay, so you just tell what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far. Okay, you just post your answers in the live chat, because whenever you are talking about artificial intelligence, the first thing which is coming in my mind, I'll think about the movies, right? Like iRobot or Jarvis or Ultron, or this kind of movies which is going to be coming in your mind, coming in my mind. Terminator. So where the robot, whenever you are visualizing that robot, it will looking like a human being, but it is going to be the enhanced version of the human being. So while talking about the enhanced version, so it is going to perform everything in a super fast ratio. Okay, while comparing with the human being. Yes, we are getting a lot of response. Iron Man, Jarvis, Transformers, Endiran, Robot 2.0, Matrix, exactly, Avengers, and Free Guy. Yes, I watched that movie recently. And Wally, yes, and Vision, Terminator. Wonderful, guys. Robot. Okay, so there are some funny answers. Doraemon, I haven't seen a Doraemon. Okay, so Real Steel, exactly, Real Steel. And Martian, yes, yes, Martian. And Transcendence, Extinction. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. Star Wars. And Alita Battle Angel, yes, exactly. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for giving that response. Okay, so whenever you are exploring, guys, whenever you are exploring this artificial intelligence, I'm gonna give you some other statements. Okay, so while talking about the AI, it is going to perform like a human being, where as a human being, we are going to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine or a computer in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Okay, I'm going to repeat it. As a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn. That is known as artificial intelligence. Okay, so you just guys tell me what is this. Okay, you just guys tell me what is this. Okay, so you just tell me what is this, and you just tell me how did you identify this is that product. Okay, so first of all, what is the first question is, you just want to tell what is this, and you just want to tell how you identify this is a mobile phone. Okay, that is the question. You just give your answers in the live chat, because you are having some experience. If you are talking about talking to 80s and the 90s and some of the 2K kids even, if you are showing Nokia keypad mobile phones to the previous people, they will tell that is a mobile phone. But if you are asking to the newborn baby nowadays, they won't go for the Nokia keypad mobile phone, because they haven't seen it, right? So it is a true fact, right? So while talking about the 80s and 90s and some of the 2K people, they might seen that keypad mobile phones and display touchscreen display mobile phones and infinity display mobile phones, right? So you guys all having some knowledge. Yes, mobile phone. Yes, some of the people are telling like iPhone, smartphone, and you all used to recognize with the help of the picture. Yes, yes. So whenever, yes, exactly, shape. Okay, whenever you used to see this product, you will tell this is a mobile phone by observing the structure, right? It is nothing but a features. It may be a color, it may be a shape, and whenever there is a camera, you will tell that is a mobile phone, right? So you all visualizing something and you all making some decision by having your experience, because you guys have seen the keypad mobile phones, you guys have seen touchscreen mobile phones, you have seen the infinity display mobile phones. So you are having that knowledge, you are retrieving it, and you are recognizing that this is the mobile phone. So whenever you are creating a robot by yourself, guys, for an example, here we have Ajay Kumar. So Ajay is going to create a robot like him. Okay, Ajay robot. Here we have Arun. So Arun robot. Vishnu. So Vishnu robot. Harpal Singh. So Harpal Singh's robot. and Devika's robot. So likewise, if you are going to create a robot like you, okay, initially the robot is looking like a normal newborn baby, doesn't know anything. Okay, as a human being, what we need to do, we need to transfer our knowledge in the sense, it may be like recognizing the objects, it may be like taste and then smell, it may be like what to say, it may be like senses. So whatever the knowledge which you are having, so how you will walk, how you will talk, so the language based knowledge as well. So likewise, this kind of smell, taste, and then what to say, and then listening and speaking and how you will walk, so this kind of knowledge, as a human being, what we need to do is we need to transfer that knowledge to a machine in the format of data. The data is nothing but, if your robot want to recognize the mobile, you need to collect a lot of images of mobile phone, so that it can see that and it can recognize. So I'm repeating that statement again, guys. As a human being, you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to act and it is going to solve a certain problem. Okay, so that is what the thing. So learn from the data which is going to solve a certain problem by using the data which you are going to provide. Okay, are you guys are clear with this? If you are super enjoying this explanation, you just post, I'm super enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what the normal definition. While talking about the concepts, guys, let us compare it with the human being. So first of all, let us compare the abilities of the human being, guys. What the human can able to do. So first one, so let us take the first one. Human can analyze and identifying a pattern and making a decision. Yes, the best example is, guys, you just guys tell me, if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, like your favorite food or something like biryani or something like that. Okay, so if someone is cooking something delicious nearby you, what is going to be your emotion? You just post that emojis in the live chat, because you are analyzing something and you are identifying a pattern. So this is biryani smell, this is some kind of sweet smell, this smell is a rotten smell, right? So likewise, you can able to analyze something and you are identifying a pattern and you are making a decision, this is a biryani. Okay, so likewise, you are analyzing, identifying a pattern, making a decision. So if you want to transfer this ability to a machine or your robot or your computer, you are going to use some kind of data may be like numerical or it may be any data. Just for an example, I'm just explaining in this way. So you can use the concepts called machine learning and the deep learning to transfer this experience. There are a lot of funny emojis, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for posting that funny emojis, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay, that is the first ability. So human can able to analyze and identifying a pattern and making a decision. So if you want to transfer this ability to a computer or to a robot or to a machine, you can use, if your data is to be a numerical data, then you can use the concepts called machine learning and the deep learning. You can transfer that ability. And second ability, human can listen and then speak. Guys, you guys tell me how what is the common thing we need to have a mutual communication. So you just share your answers in the live chat. What is the common thing which is needed to have a mutual communication? That is my question. You just give your answers in the live chat, because if you are so I'm speaking here, guys, I'm speaking here, you are listening to me and you are giving this wonderful emojis, right? So you are understanding me. So what is the common thing needed between us, right? So if this is a thing, you so listening and then speaking, so it may be like, it may be a chat bot, it may be a voice assistant. So here the data, while talking about the data format, the data format is going to be a text data. And while talking about the methodology, you can use the methodologies like machine learning or deep learning, as well as by using the concepts called natural language processing. Yes, we got the answers. Language, yes, language is the common thing which we need to have common in between two persons to understand something, right? So whenever you want to transfer this listening and speaking ability or chatbot kind of ability to a machine, if you are using a data kind of like text or audio data, by using the method called machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing, you can transfer that ability to a robot. Okay, and then third ability, human can see and recognize. So whenever you are you saw that, you just told that this is a mobile phone, right? Whenever you are going to see this, you are going to tell this is a water bottle, right? So you can able to see something and you can able to recognize, right? So what is this object? So likewise, you can able to recognize what is the current object is. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, Here the data which is going to be image or video data, and by using the method called computer vision and then deep learning, you can transfer this ability. Okay, are you guys are clear with this? I'm repeating again. So first of all, analyze, identifying a pattern and making a decision. Why? Based on the normal data. If the data is supposed to be a numerical data, and the concept which is going to be a machine learning or deep learning. Here, instead of your sensory organs, for the robot, you can put up a sensors. And second thing, listening and speaking ability. For that, the data which is going to be a text or audio data. By using the method called machine learning and deep learning, or machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing. Here, instead of ears and then mouth, we can put up some microphones and then speaker for it, right? So that is the second ability. And a third ability, which is human can able to visualize something and recognize it. So for that data which is going to be image or video data, and the concept is computer vision and then deep learning. So instead of eyes, we can put up a camera. Are you guys are clear with this? If you are clear with this, you just post I'm clear, super clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys are clear? So if you are clear with this, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat. So while talking about the steps, if you guys have some question, Sanjay, how can I do that? So if I want to create that, what are all the steps I need to work on? Okay, so I'm not talking about creating inherent kind of robot. I'm talking about some kind of machine learning or deep learning application. So what is the first thing you need to do is we need to collect a data. We need to gather lot of as much data we can. Okay, we need to collect the data. For an example, if your robot want to recognize a mobile phone and then water bottle, what you just want to do is you just want to collect lot of data. So data in the sense 1,000 images of mobile phone, 1,000 images of water bottle. This is the first thing you need to do, collect a data. And second thing, you need to data prepare. So data prepare in the sense it may be like data cleaning or data pre-processing. Okay, so that kind of thing which is need to be done on the second part, data preparation. Okay, and then third part, which is about choosing a model or algorithm. So based on the project or based on the concept. For an example, okay, let us have very short quiz. Okay, you guys tell me. Okay, you guys tell me for an example, if I want to recognize if I want to recognize mobile and then water bottle, you just tell me what are the concept you will go for. Okay, you can go for any option, but out of these three, which option you will go? Okay, that is my question. You just share your answers in the live chats. Okay, if I want to recognize or if I want to use the image data, especially my data is in the format of images. So what kind of concept you need to go for? Okay, that is my question. You just share your answers in the live chat. Okay, so and then choosing a model. So we need to choose a type of methods as well as the algorithm we need to choose. And then we need to train our algorithm for the current data which we have. And then we need to evaluate. Evaluate in this nothing but the accuracy of your model, the loss of your model. So likewise, we need to see the performance of your model. So once if your performance is not satisfied, you can tune some of the parameter to get the better accuracy. This is optional. And finally, we used to do the prediction. Okay, are you guys are clear with the 7-step? Okay, if you are clear with the 7-step, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, I'm repeating again. You are going to collect the data and you need to prepare a data and we need to choose a model and we need to do the training and then we need to evaluate and then we need to tune the parameter and then we need to do the prediction. Okay, so this is what is all about here, guys. Okay, so that is all about here. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. Thank you so much. A lot of people have posted the right answer. The answer is computer vision and the deep learning. Exactly, guys. Okay, so here we have some clarity about studies. Guys, as I've already told you, initially starting as a beginner, you can become a data analyst. Then you need to promote yourself to become a data scientist, guys. Okay, so why I'm telling you that is because as a data analyst, you just want to work on data acquisition, data cleaning, data transformation, and then data visualization. So these are the roles of a data analyst. Okay, are you guys are clear? These are all the role of data analyst. You just want to acquire the data by using a database knowledge. You need to data cleaning or transformation of the data. It can be done by using a programming or without programming also you can do. And you need to visualize the data. So these are the work of the data analyst. So that is what the first role. And second, which is about machine learning. So while talking about the machine learning, you need to tell, for an example, if you are working in some automobile company, you just want to tell what is going to be the sales of the 2023. Okay, likewise, you just want to predict the end results. Okay, that is what is all about the machine learning. And then deep learning, I think we guys have already seen, by using the image data, you can do autonomous vehicle by using a camera. So this kind of application can be done. Okay, if you are really completely mastered it, so if you really completely mastered the complete skills which is needed, for an example, if you master the skills like Excel for data cleaning or data working on it, and statistical skills, which is the backbone of data scientist, and then if you guys have mastered Python programming, and you got data visualization knowledge, and you know how to work on the libraries like NumPy and then Pandas library. So I'll tell later, don't worry about it. So which is the library which is going to be helpful for data cleaning or working on the data and mathematics, and business intelligence tools like Power BI and then Tableau, and database skills like MySQL or MongoDB, and machine learning, and then deep learning. So previously they won't ask for the deep learning engineer, but nowadays they are asking the deep learning skills as well. So these are all the skills you need to get to become a data scientist, guys. Okay, did you guys really love this? Okay, if you really love it, you just post I love this, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so we are used to get these kind of knowledge which we need to master. So we need to master is like Excel, statistics, Python programming, Python or R programming. You can choose Python as a first thing, and you can choose data visualization and NumPy and Pandas library, and business intelligence, database skills, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, so sir, I don't know Python. Venkata, Rohit, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, you are going to learn everything, because if you are comparing this roadmap with our agenda, you can able to easily see that our agenda is matching with this roadmap. Okay, so that's why I was just asking you whether do you love this or not. Okay, these are all the skills you need to get to become a data scientist, guys. I'm repeating you again, some of the people who guys have posted, I'm not clear. If you really want to become a data scientist, initially you should you can become a data analyst. So where the data analyst role is data acquisition. You need to acquire some kind of data from certain databases, and you need to clean the data, and you need to transform the data, and you need to analyze, and you need to visualize the data. So this kind of thing, which is going to be done with the help of so this kind of roles is for the data analyst. Whereas if you are to become a data scientist, you need to get the skills like machine learning and then deep learning in detail, so that you can give some predict or end results to the company. For an example, if the company is facing some problem, like they want to predict whether the new customer is going to buy the product or not, you can do it with the help of the machine learning. Okay, so likewise, it is going to be providing the end results to the company. Okay, you just want to completely understand your business first. Okay, what is your company, what the company is you are manufacturing, what the company is doing, what is the product of your company. You just want to understand completely about the business, and by using the existing the past data, you need to use the past data, you need to acquire it, and you need to clean it, you need to transform it, and you need to pass that data into the algorithm. Based on the requirement, you need to provide a solution. Okay, so that is all about the clarity, guys. If you guys have got this clarity about the studies, you just post make sense Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Archie Kumari, definitely I'll go slow. I'm really sorry for that. Definitely I'll go slow, guys. Okay, so if you really got clarity about these studies, you just post a make sense Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, you just post make sense in the live chat. Okay, so this is what is all about. Shreyashi Pandey, that's why I repeated again. So these are all the skills which we need to get, guys. Okay, don't worry about the knowledge, which if you really don't have that, this 30 days is it for giving that knowledge to you. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Okay, thank you so much for posting make sense, guys. Okay, so now let us discuss about some of the job roles. You just see how many of the job roles which is out there, like database administrator, data architect, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, machine learning engineer, statistician, business analyst, analyst manager, cyber security analyst, cloud architect, data mining specialist, data scientist, data architect, machine learning engineer, financial analyst, business analyst, marketing analyst, market research analyst. There are a lot of job roles which you can apply for, guys. And if you are really want to see some kind of detailed skills which we need to get is here, based on the work, based on the data preparation, we need to work on this process like data sources, data cleaning, data combining, data transformation, and number crunching. We need to work on some kind of statistical knowledge and storytelling. Yes, of course, you need to have a storytelling knowledge as well, guys, because You may ask Sanjay, you may ask a question, Sanjay, do I need to get storytelling skills? Yes, of course, because as you are a data scientist, you need to present your prediction results in a proper way, right? You just want to visualize the proper data, because you should not plainly tell next year stock value is 5 crore rupees. Yes, that is the meeting end. Okay, so you are going away. So no, you should present it in a proper way. Which factors are all affecting the sales? Which factors are really mandatory to get the very good income? And what are all the employees mindset? So likewise, you just want to analyze every data based on the requirement as speaking. Okay, so based on the requirement, you just want to prepare every results which you use the different algorithms to predict the results, and you just want to properly present it. So that's why you need the skills like chart, storytelling skills, formatting skills, presentation skills, visual designing skills, and etc. And asking a questions. Yes, as you are a data scientist, if your management is giving some work to you, you should ask a lot of questions. Why do you need? So to the management, you need to ask a lot of questions. Why do you need? What is the purpose? And what are all the things we need to include? For an example, you just guys tell me, if my company is like facial product based company, okay, you are a business analyst, okay, I'm gonna provide you 100 kind of data, okay, 100 kind of data which is including like what is it, like gender, person city, person state, person country, person age, and so these are all the data. Okay, you just tell me out of this 5 data, what are all the data which is really important for facial product kind of company. Okay, so that is the thing. I'm repeating the question again. For an example, I'm having a facial products company, you are a data scientist, so I have a lot of features is like gender, name, person ID, country, city, and what is it, country, city, and a person's age, and then person's salary. So if these are the questions, you just tell me what are all the features you need. Yes, we got the answers, guys. Age and then gender. Exactly, guys. Age and then gender. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you so much for giving that answer. Age, gender, yes, because age is also a really important thing for the facial product. So we just want to ask a question. First of all, we just want to understand the business. Then we just want to ask a question. What are the features I need to include? What are the features I need to exclude? So likewise, we just want to ask a lot of questions, and then you just want to display it for the presentation, guys. Okay, so that is all about. And technology, I think you guys already know. So the skills which I've already discussed, like the roadmap, which is all about here. Okay, I hope you really enjoying the session up to now. If you are really enjoying, and if you are really eager to learn more from me today, because there are a lot of things which is out there, like advanced the Python lectures which is there, mindset lecture is there, interview question is there. If you are really ready for it, you just post if you are really excited about it, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, or else you just post I love it Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Still now there are a lot of response. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so before going further, I really want to give some introduction about the thing which I'm going to give it now. So what is the thing is, we are also providing an internship program, guys. So what is all about the internship, guys? Now you guys are attending 30 days for free. It is only focused on, okay, so it is focused on something where you used to get only the PowerPoint presentation and then mind map, not source code. You're going to get from this YouTube free webinar, but you can get the source code and other additional data sets, because data set which is also not being provided for the YouTube free participants. So in the internship, you are going to get 30 days of video lectures which has been already recorded, and Warriors Way community. You are going to be part of our Warriors Way community, and you are going to get weekly mastermind, which is nothing but each and every week. So apart from the 30 days of self-paced video, each and every Saturday there is going to be a live class to clear your doubts as well as to give the new value. Okay, and then because on the last Saturday I've given the value about GitHub's Copilot. So likewise, each and every week of Saturday, I'm going to give you the new value to you, as well as I'm going to clear your doubts. And we are going to give the bonus task and an assignment, technical materials, which includes PowerPoint presentation, mind maps, source codes, data sets, trained model files. Likewise, every attachment which is going to be given for the internship participants. And finally, you are going to get internship e-certificate. So this is the one course which we are providing Usually we used to provide a single courses at the price of 999, but today is the launch day, so that's why we are providing this data analytics course at the price of 750 rupees. Okay, but instead of going for this only course at the price of 750, I think there are a lot of people guys have already registered for single courses at the price of 750. But now I'm going to provide you 3 courses, guys. What are all the 3 courses? Artificial intelligence, which is going to be cover up different aspects like creating a chatbot. You just please focus on me, guys. In the artificial intelligence 30 days course, what you are going to get is creating a chatbot, Python programming basic, and computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, artificial intelligence using cloud, artificial intelligence using hardware. So this kind of 8 core knowledge which is required for artificial intelligence, that has been covered in this AI course. This is one 30 days course. And in the data analytics, which we have covered, Excel, Power BI, like business intelligence tools, and then databases like MySQL, and then MongoDB, and then Python basic, machine learning, and then little deep learning. Okay, so this has been covered on the data analytics as well as statistics especially. And then the last course, which is about machine learning course, where in each and every supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and then reinforcement learning, we used to cover a lot of concepts. So a lot of concepts is nothing but we used to cover a lot of algorithms completely based on the application. So in 3 courses, we'll be covering lot of things, guys. Lot of things is nothing but everything based on the project. Okay. So in a machine learning, especially if you are seeing the agenda, you can able to see everything which is about the project, like linear regression using the project, which is Titanic survival prediction using linear regression, and house price prediction using support vector machine. So likewise, we used to teach you every algorithm based on one project. So usually, moreover, you are going to get a lot of projects. So 3 internship where you are going to get access to 90 days of video lectures. So each and every course is 30 days. So 90 days of video lectures, 70 plus projects, which is completely from the scratch, and 100 plus source code, technical materials, which include PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data sets, and trained model files. So those you are going to get, and then you are going to get bonus task and then assignment and forum discussion and support, which is going to be in the value of 2000. So 3 internship certificate, you are going to get 3 internship certificate: artificial intelligence internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate, and data analytics internship certificate. So likewise, you are going to get 3 courses internship certificate. So this complete 3 courses, today I'm gonna give you an offer where you're going to get 3 courses at the price of 999, guys. Okay, do you guys really love it? If you really want to register for this 3 courses, you can register for 3 courses at the price of 999. So this is going to be carried out on this 30 days, guys. You can register this 3 courses at the price of 999 now. Okay, this is the today's offer which is going on, current offer. Okay, 3 course. But guys, do you guys really love surprises? Okay, if you really love surprises, you just post "I love surprise Sanjay" in your live chat, because there are really a very wonderful surprise which is really waiting for you. Okay, if you really love the surprises, you just post "I love surprises Sanjay" in your live chat. So what is the thing is, okay, guys, still now the session is not completed. There are some of the very huge values which is also out there. Don't leave the session. Okay, so yeah, so what is the another surprises? So yes, yeah, okay, some people love the surprises and some people didn't love the surprises. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what is the surprises is the people who are all going to register today. Okay, I think you can able to get what I'm saying. The people who are all going to register today, those people are going to get Python course which is absolutely free. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you the link in the live chat, guys. So what is the thing is, if you really want to register for today's offer, so 4-in-1 internship. Okay, so I'll be giving the link in the live chat now. So 4-in-1 internship, if you really want to get this 4-in-1 internship, you can click the link now. So this offer is only today, guys. Okay, so that is the thing. So I've given the link in the live chat. So what is being covered? So if you are guys are having a question, Sanjay, what will be covered on this courses? So you just want to visit learn.pantechsolutions.net to know about the courses agenda. First of all, let us open the 4 courses: internship on artificial intelligence, and machine learning masterclass, and data analytics masterclass, and Python internship on Python. So we'll be covering this. We'll be giving this 4 courses. Okay, so let us see the Python programming course, which will be covering the lot of a lot of detail, which is about start to end. Okay, from the basic to the expert. So that's the basic, Python programming course. And then we'll be covering AI masterclass. So in this AI course, what you are going to get? The first day you are going to get a chatbot. So how to create a chatbot and basic Python programming. So computer vision, and we are used to start working on the projects. Like you just see the project list, guys. So you just see the project list like moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition. And then we'll be moving on to the deep learning, real-time object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection, character recognition, label reading, attendance system, vehicle detection, license plate recognition, drowsiness, road sign recognition. And then while talking about the machine learning, power monitoring system using machine learning, fake news detection, artificial intelligence based snake game, natural language processing. Now, under the natural language processing category, we have the projects like title generation, speech and then emotion analysis, and then we'll be covering the bonus sessions like AI using cloud and AI using hardware. So these are the agenda of AI masterclass, which has been completely project, guys. If you are really struggling where you can't able to see a lot of project and which has not been completely hands-on, which has not been completely from the scratch, if you are really facing this kind of problem where there is no lot of projects and there is no that much of hands-on, there is no completely from the scratch, if you are really struggling on that scenario, you just go for this course, this machine learning course. You just see the agenda of this machine learning course, guys. So sales prediction using logistic regression. For every algorithm, we used to have one project, which is about salary estimation using k nearest neighbor, handwritten digit recognition using support vector machine, Titanic survival prediction using naive bias, plant leaf iris detection using decision tree, digit recognition using random forest, and breast cancer detection using different machine learning algorithm, house price prediction using linear regression, exam mark prediction using multiple linear regression, salary prediction using polynomial regression, stock price prediction using support vector regression, height prediction using decision tree regression, car price prediction using random forest, and evaluating regression model using R squared, and income spent analysis using k-means clustering, income spent analysis using hierarchical clustering, clustering plant iris using PCA. So likewise, there are a lot of algorithms, guys. I really losing my energy by explaining a lot of projects. You just visit and you just see the agendas, guys. And here in the data analytics course, we'll be covering Excel and the statistics and business intelligence tools, which includes both Power BI and then Tableau, and basic Python programming, numerical Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Kaggle. So how to compete in Kaggle competitions, MySQL databases, SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, machine learning. So we used to have some projects like COVID-19 detection from X-ray images using CNN. You just see here. So how cool the project is. If you really love this 4 courses, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. And another main thing, guys, the people who are all really want to get the course, so you may say, Sanjay, guys have called for only the free webinar. Yes, as per our commitment for this 30 days, you are going to get the 30 lectures which I have given on the description. On the description, there is a 30 days agenda. As per our commitment, we are going to give that value to you for this complete 30 days. Only thing is you are going to get only the PowerPoint presentation and then mind map. If you really want to get completely the 4 courses at the price of 999, today is the only chance. Okay, I'm telling you guys, today is the last day to get 4 courses at the price of 999. If you really want that, so the link which has been pinned on the live chat, you just click that link and register for it, guys. Okay, so that is all the things. And let us go for the next bonus session, which I have already talked about. So what is the bonus session which I have talked about is Python notebooks. Okay, are you guys all really excited for the session? Still, if you guys are having an energy, you just post I am energetic Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so what is the thing, guys? Let us go with the second part of the session, which is about advanced Python tutorial. Not a Python, it is about Python notebook tutorial. Okay, I really want to discuss with you. Okay, so if you are really having energy, you just post I am energetic Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, now, guys, definitely as per our agenda, we are going to cover a lot of Python notebooks. We are going to learn Python programming as per our agenda. But as a today's bonus, I'm gonna give additional lecture to you, which has not been covered in anywhere else. I haven't seen that. Okay, so what is the thing? Okay, if you are really energetic, you just post I'm energetic. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting I'm energetic, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, guys, some people are having a very good laptop and some people are having very normal laptop like i3 processor with 2 GB or 4 GB RAM. But if I'm gonna tell you, without having a GPU in your laptop, you can run a deep learning application in a GPU. Is it sound super cool? If it sounds super cool, you just post sounds cool Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I'm repeating that again. If you are having a normal laptop with i3 processor with 2 GB or 4 GB RAM without any GPU, okay, so if you are really okay by using that normal CPU itself, normal laptop itself, you can run your artificial applications in the GPUs. Okay, if it really looking or if it really sounds super cool, you just post sounds cool Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, there are a lot of super cool, sounds cool, wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the introduction to the cloud, which is Paperspace. Okay, so I think you guys are having a laptop with you, or if you are having a paper and then pen, please note it down. You just visit this cloud, guys, paperspace.com. Okay, I'll give the link in the live chat. So you just visit that paperspace.com. Okay, I'll be giving the link in the live chat. So paperspace.com, guys. Okay, so in this Paperspace, what you can do is you can you can use the GPU on the online itself, guys. Here there is option called sign up with email, or you can click you can choose sign up with Google. Okay, so you just see here cloud computing made simple. I'll be covering a very little bit. Okay, I'm not going to go in depth, but I'm going to give a little bit bonus on this Paperspace cloud. Okay, so I just clicked it. This is the gradient. Okay, so here you just want to create a project. So I'm just going to create one project in the name, some names. Okay, so this is the notebooks, and you just want to click create, and here you just want to choose your runtime. So I'm just going to choose a TensorFlow. Okay, don't worry guys, definitely you'll be learning everything in detail on the upcoming session. Okay, only thing where I'm here is for this special part, select a mission. Here there is option, guys. Here you can choose the GPUs or CPU. You just see here there are 3 GPUs which is available for free. Especially I think this GPU you can use. This is Quadro M4000. So this GPU which is in the specification of which is having 8 CPUs and 30 GB RAM and Quadro M4000. Okay, so this is what the free GPU which you can use it for Python development and Python development, guys. Because if you are running a deep learning algorithm in your normal laptop, if it is taking 5 hours for training, it may be easily completed with the help of by using a GPU within 20 minutes. Okay, if you really love this bonus, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, I'm repeating again. If you are doing some training process under the deep learning category in your normal laptop without GPU, if it is taking 4 hours for completing the training process, you can able to complete the training within a very short span of time, nearly like 20 minutes, by using the GPU without having a GPU. Right, so with the help of this Paperspace cloud, so you can choose the GPU machine like this, so free GPU, and you can click the start notebook and you can write Python programming in there. Okay, don't worry about the Python programming, we are going to cover in the upcoming sessions. You can write the programming here, you can run the training process in the cloud, so that it will train very fast when compared to the normal CPUs, guys. Okay, if you really love us, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, do you guys really love this? Okay, so that is the thing, guys. If you guys really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So this is the bonus which I really want to share with you. So this is the Python notebook which is Paperspace, and as well as there are some other online notebooks which is also there, so which is Colab. Okay, research.collab, so you can write the Python programming in Google Colab as well. Definitely don't worry, we are going to give that lecture to you as well. Okay, so don't worry about this. This is the another online notebook which is Google Colab. Okay, it is by Google. Okay, so this is bonus, guys. I hope you really love it. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so the paper space, don't forget the name, paper space, paper space, paper space. Okay, okay, so now let us go with the pitch. I think you guys already know. So 4 courses which we are providing today at the price of 999. You just click that link and register for that 4 courses at the price of 999. And now let us go for today's interview questions. Today's interview questions, I will be planning for each and every day. I'm about to give 3 interview questions, and if you guys are having a notebooks, please note it down, or else you can take a snap. But other than that, taking a digital notes, please have a hands-on like physical notebooks, guys. You just try to write it down, okay? Or else now you just currently take a snap and later you can copy it in some of the notebooks. Okay, so 3 interview questions. So first question, what is data science? Right, so what is data science? It is interdisciplinary field that mines raw data. Okay, so that is what is, as I already told you, data acquisition, data cleaning or data transformation, and by using some methods like machine learning or deep learning, we need to predict or we need to classify the results, right? So that mines the raw data, analyzes it, and comes up with the patterns that are used to extract the valuable insight from it. Statistics, computer science, machine learning, deep learning, data analysis, data visualization, and various other technology from the core foundation of the data science. Are you guys are clear? Okay, so that is all up to here. I'm repeating again, whenever you are talking about the data science, it is going to cover up, or first of all, it is going to be covering up the data acquisition. Okay, data acquisition from any databases like MongoDB or MySQL, anything. So data acquisition and first of all, Python programming, of course. So Python, using the programming languages, you are going to transform the data or you need to clean the data. So once it has been cleaned, then you need to choose the machine learning or deep learning method, as well as the certain algorithms to see which algorithm is really giving the better performance. Like loss should be very small and the accuracy should be very very high. Okay, so likewise, we need to choose the model or algorithm, and by using some of the methods like statistics to work with the data cleaning. Because for an example, if you are data which is having some problem, like some missing data which is out there in a numerical Excel sheet, so that data which need to be replaced with the help of by finding out the mean of the certain column, the statistics role. So likewise, we need to work with data acquisition, data cleaning, data transformation, and data analyzing, data visualization, and finally we can able to give the prediction or end results. That is all about the data science, guys. Okay, now second thing, hierarchy of the data science. You just see the hierarchy, guys. First of all, while talking about the collection, so instrumentation, logging, sensors, external data, user generated content. So it may be like databases, it may be from the sensors, it may be from the some data logs, it may be from the user generated content, it may be from anything. So we used to collect the data, right? Data infrastructure engineer, so which is going to be for data collection. And second thing, move or store, reliable data flow, infrastructure, pipelines, ETL, and then structured and unstructured data storage. That is the second part. And third part, explore or transform, cleaning or anomaly detection. Anomaly is nothing but the peak with the data which is very completely abnormal from the usual data. So that is what the anomaly means. So data cleaning or anomaly detection or preparation. And the fourth one, which is aggregate or label, analytics, metrics, segments, aggregate features, training data. And then learn or optimize. So A by B testing, experimentation, simple machine learning algorithms for evaluating it. And finally, we'll be moving on to artificial intelligence with deep learning. So this is what the complete hierarchy of data science, guys. Okay, I'm repeating again: collect, move or store, explore or transform, aggregate or label, learn or optimize. Finally, we used to work on the deep learning kind of application. Okay, so here you can apply the job roles like data infrastructure engineer, data scientist or data analyst, machine learning engineer as well. Okay, this is the hierarchy of the data scientist, guys. Okay, and the third question, which is about types of artificial intelligence. So while talking about the types of artificial intelligence, based on capabilities and based on the other factor, we have some types. So while talking about the based on the capabilities, we used to have weak AI or strong AI. So weak AI or narrow AI, general AI or strong AI. So strong or super AI. For an example, guys, the artificial intelligence which we are working on now, that is like normal, weak or narrow AI, which is specifically focused on one application. While talking about the super AI or strong AI, where the AI robot which we are seeing on the movies, like iRobot or Endiran or Terminator or Ex Machina. So on that movies we used to see the robots, like so that kind of robots which is also been called a super AI, where it is improving by itself without having any of the outer control. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. Okay, and then based on the functionality we have some types like reactive machines, limited memory. So reactive machines without any memory, based on the input it is going to perform some doing some functions, and limited memory which is having some memory, based on that it is going to do, and theory of mind and self-awareness. This is the very risk factor which is out there. Okay, I think you guys already know about Stephen Hawking, right? So how many of you guys really know about Stephen Hawking quotes about artificial intelligence? Okay, if you really know about it, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat. Chandran, don't worry, you will get a certificate for free also. Okay. Okay. So while talking about that, his as well as the Elon Musk quote, which is going to be completely similar, on the journey of creating or on the journey of developing artificial intelligence program, there are really a great or huge risk in it, because you just imagine at certain instant, because development which is definitely this the stopping the development of technology which is impossible, right? Other than that, whenever you are working on the development of artificial intelligence program, if one person accidentally created one AI which it can multiply by itself on the computer itself, what is going to be the condition? Okay, what is going to be the scenario? You just share your comments in the live chat, because that is going to be the huge risk in it, right? Because in the internet, if there is some artificial intelligence which is multiplying by itself, if it was initiated by one of the person as a human being, right, definitely there is a huge risk in it. Even though in the 2018 or 2017, how many of you people guys have known about Facebook artificial intelligence which talk each other? Guys, I really want, apart from the technical lectures, I really want to share a lot of knowledge to you guys. Okay, so if you really love this additional bonuses, you just post I love this Sanjay, I'm enjoying Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so you just see here what an AI non-human language actually looks like. So actually in the Facebook there is two artificial intelligence, which is Bob and then Alice. You just see the conversation, guys. I everything else. Alice, balls have zero to me, to me. Bob, you, I, everything else. Alice, balls have a ball to me. Okay, so if you are seeing that conversation, this conversation which may look like English language, but there is some message which is in it, but definitely it can't able to decode it. So something unexpected happened recently at the Facebook artificial intelligence research lab. Researchers who had been training bots to negotiate with one another realized that the bots left to their own devices started communicating in a non-human language. Okay, so that is all up to here, guys. Okay, so you just see here, it is a non-human languages which has been completely talked by itself. In order to actually follow what the bots were saying, the researchers had to tweak their model, limiting the machines to a conversation humans could understand. So so they want bots to stick to a human languages, because eventually they want those bots to be able to converse with human Facebook user. So temporarily they just shut down that artificial intelligence program, I think. Okay, if you really love this, guys, you just post I love this Sanjay in your like chat. So advancedly I'm just given some news. Okay, so even though there are a lot of development which is going to be there, so only way from us is we need to be very aware of creating something which should not harm any other people out there or any other field which is out there. Okay, so that is all up to this Q&A, guys. I hope you really enjoying this. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. A lot of people have posted that I'm enjoying, I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Thank you so much for the people who posting the positive messages. Okay, so today's mindset bonus. Okay, so you just see the graph, guys. This is the universal success graph. So what is the universal success graph? Okay, so before exploring this universal success graph, I would like to ask one question. How many of you people are here started some task like registering to some other courses, having some idea to start a business? something, so anything, okay, so anything you guys have started, after the certain period of the time, lot of people have given up, even though if it might be like a reading a book. So they'll start reading a book, and in between they used to feel boring and they'll give it up. Okay, how many of you people are there? Okay, if you all really there, you just post I am Sanjay in your chat, because without hesitation, because even though I am previously I am like that as well. Okay, even though now sometime I'm like that. Okay, you just share I am Sanjay in your chat if you are really like that. Okay, because it is a normal thing, I'm telling, because as self thoughts, we used to speak ourselves, we are taking one action and we are not completing it, so we used to feel very bad about ourselves. But I'm telling you guys, it is not unusual, it is the usual thing. So this is the universal success graph, where the graph in the x-axis, in the y-axis, it has been splitted between joy and then pain. So whenever you are starting, you will think that great idea and add design and detail to the vision, begin executing. Okay, so in the certain amount of time, after the certain period of days, you will be thinking that this is hard, and after that you'll think like this project sucks, and you'll think like I suck. And then after, so nearly, like, guys, 95% of the people will come out from this graph, so sorry, come out from this point. So this point is very, very crucial, where 95 to 98% of the people are getting failed. But even though it is hard, even though it is not understandable, even though it looks very difficult, you should try, you should be on this journey. Okay, if you are in this journey, you will think like, I think I can do this, I'm gonna get through this, hey, this is pretty good. And finally you will do that, you will tell that I am glad I did this. You can take the best example of our 30 days of masterclass series, guys. The 30 days YouTube series, it is free, I'm telling you, where you need to attend 30 days completely. On the 15th day, you may get some confusion, you may feel some difficulties. If you are feeling a difficulties, you should not giving up. You should attend the complete masterclass series, guys. Okay, complete 30 days. Okay, if you all really under our Warriors Way program, if you all really want to get success on the certain field, on our mindset, because we are not going to teach only the technical skills, I'm about to give some soft skills or mindset coaching as well. Okay, if you are really going to commit as yourself as like a warrior, you just post I am a warrior Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so if you are going to commit yourself to attend this complete 30 days, even though it is hard, even though you don't have time, even though it is little bit difficult, even though even though it may be any reason, okay, but you should have watched this complete 30 days of video lectures, because I'm telling you, this YouTube live will be deleted within 2 days. Okay, you should be commit yourself to complete each and every days of course, because we should have commitment. Because if you are having something in your mind like we are going to provide this course which is going to be available in the YouTube, your thoughts will be changed into like, okay, the video is available in the YouTube, I'll see later, I'll see later, I'll see later, I'll see later. So people, as a human mentality, we used to postpone the things, right? So that's why I'm telling you, please commit yourself as like a warrior. This video will be deleted within a 2 days, so don't miss out any session. If the session was missed on the day itself or the next day itself, next day morning itself, you just watch that video and then come to this 5:30 session. Okay, so commit yourself and start learning and don't giving up. Okay, I'm telling you guys, this is the success graph where a lot of people will used to giving up in this point. So don't give up and attend this 30 day series, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, so Ifla, thank you. Definitely I'll go slow. Okay, I noted, thank you so much, I'll go slow. Okay, now you just see here, check your mail, guys. If you really want today's attachments like this mind map, okay, if you really need this mind map and if you really need this presentation, please check your mail. Okay, so and another main thing, I'm about to give I'm about to give another thing which is to you. For an example, if you really want to receive daily certificate or daily attachments, or if you really want to receive the certificate at the end 30th day, what you just want to do is, you just want to add our mail to your contact list to receive the daily attachment successfully. Okay, how can I do that, Sanjay? It is simple. Guys, if you are having a mail, so some mail may be present in your spam. Okay, please don't forget to check your spam folder, guys. So if you are seeing here, okay, so if you are seeing some of the mails which is out there, so if you really want to check out that a certain mail, if you really want to remove some kind of spam, for an example, here we have some message which is from Pantech Solutions, right? So from the mail certificate at Pantech Solutions, this is the spam message which is present there. So what you just do is, you just click a reply, and you just click the email, and you just click this add to contact button, so that every day you are going to receive this messages or this mail which is carrying the attachments, which is going to be given, or which is going to be present in your inbox. Okay, if you guys did this, you just post I did it, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, so just go to the spam. Okay, if there is some message which is by certificate at pantechsolutions.net, or else you just add, you just go to the Google contacts, and you just add manually our mail ID like certificate at pantechsolutions.net. Okay, it may be like certificate at Pantech Solutions, or I think you may received some of the mail previously. Okay, it may be from any of our mail ID like certificate.pantechsolutions.net or Warriors Way. So any mail you may get before, you may got before. So you just add that mail to your contact list, so that every mail which will be sent to your inbox directly, guys. Okay, if you are going to do this, you just post I did it. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people have did it. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for doing this. Please do that. Then only you can able to receive each and every day's mind map and then presentation. No source code, guys. Only mind map and then presentation. Definitely you are going to receive on each and every day. And then you are, once 30 days has been completed, within 1 week after the 30 days has been completed, you are going to, if you really want to get the certificate, please do that. Okay, please add our mail to your contact list, so that every mail will be given on your, posted in your inbox. So don't forget to do that, guys. Okay, so that is all up to here, and now let us begin the Q&A, guys. And if you guys have really having any questions, you just ask your questions in the live chat, guys. Okay, and before going further of the session, I would like to thank the participants, because even though it is nearly like 6:30, I think, the participants are here, right? So thank you so much for the people who are attending this end of this event. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Aniket, doubt shall be. Actually, for the doubts, we are going to launch a forum, where that forum, which is going to be, you going need to post that questions on the forum. That forum which is going to be cleared on each and every day basis. Okay, that is going to be launched very soon. Yeah. Karthi M already registered for 750. What need to be do, Sanjay? Thank you so much for asking that questions, Karthi. Participants who guys have registered for the internship at the price of 750, those people are going to get the upgradation link to upgrade from 750 to 999 to get 4 courses. So what are all the 4 courses which we have already talked about? So what are the 4 courses, which is nothing but the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then data analytics, and then Python programming. So that 4 courses which is going to be given their like upgradation link, which is going to be sent via email. Okay, so please check your email, guys. Okay, and another main thing, so before going for the Q&A, guys, I would like to give another thing. So attend the quiz to get amazing gift, link in the description, right? So now I'm gonna give you some link to you. So that is a Google form link. What you just do is, you just answer that 5 question to win the amazing gift on tomorrow. Okay, are you guys all really interested to do this, to attend this quiz? Okay, if you are really interested, you just post I am interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, eligible criteria, there is no eligibility, guys. It is completely from the scratch. Okay, even though you are zero at programming languages, even though you are zero at anything, you are going to learn it. Okay, so if you really need a computer, a laptop or computer, and the dedication to be like a warrior, okay, so that is what they needed. That is what really needed for you. Okay, if you're really ready for this quiz task to win the amazing gift tomorrow, you just post I am interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, there are a lot of people are posting that I am interested. Okay, wonderful, guys. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat, guys. So what you just do is, and also I will paste it in the description box as well. So what you just do is, you just click that link and answer only that 5 questions, guys. Okay, it is very, very simple question. You just see here, the simple questions are like, select the unsupervised learning method from below. And if I need to predict whether the news is fake or real, which method is I need to choose. Okay, if you really want to wait for tomorrow's session, you can also wait for it. And programming languages is mandatory for data analyst or data scientist. So these questions can be answered by downloading the attachments, guys. Okay, please wait for the attachment, and on the attachment there is an answer for this every questions. Okay, so you just wait for it, and if you really know that, guys, and another main thing I really want to share, it is not about giving the right answer or wrong answer. If you are answering at least, okay, if you're just answering something, okay, definitely there is going to be a gift for you. Okay, it is not about giving the right answer or giving the wrong answer. At least have a try to answer that question. Okay, not accepting. Okay, so give me a sec. Okay, I just click that accept response, guys. Now you just start giving the answers. Okay, I've given the link in the live chat, as well as I've given the link in the description, guys. You just click that link and give the answers, guys. Okay, I've enabled, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, I just enabled my now. Okay, you just start giving the answers now. Okay, so tomorrow winner announcement, which is going to be tomorrow, guys. Okay, so I think okay, so tomorrow I'll tell what is the price and those stuffs. Okay, so that is all up to here. I hope you guys all really enjoyed the session. Okay, and if you guys have any other questions, please try to raise your questions, guys. What gift? Definitely, I'll give. I'll tell the gift tomorrow, guys. Okay. So Amir Indra Singh. Okay, I've accepted the responses, guys. Okay, please trade now. Okay, I think we got the response from one participant. Okay, Chaudhry, he given the response. Chaudhry given the answer. You just refresh the link and you just try to do again. Okay, take your time. You can fill up the answers on tomorrow also. Okay, don't worry. Shubh Patel, does that 4 courses contain this 30 days course? That 4 courses which is going to be cover lot more times higher than the course which is in the 30 days. Okay. Guys, do you guys have really any interesting questions? If you guys have any other questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. KG1 gamers, can you go slower from tomorrow? Definitely, I'll go slow from tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Mohit, that criteria I'll tell tomorrow. Okay. Santosh, course will start from Python basic. Yes, you can start from Python, or the journey is you can start with data analytics, and then go for Python, and then go for AI, and then go for machine learning. So this you can take it that journey. Okay. So but directly don't go for the machine learning, because previously you may need to get some idea about machine learning, deep learning. So those things you need to complete this AI masterclass course. Machine learning, definitely you love this course, guys, because every algorithm for every one project. So AI masterclass is also one wonderful course. Okay, start going on this journey. Okay. So is there any other questions, guys? Secure boy, definitely it is not possible, because it is really a very less price. What is the timing? Actually, it is a self-paced. Okay, 4 courses which has been self-paced, but additionally in each and every Saturday we are going to have a live to give a new value to you guys. Bharada Prasanna Naik. So the video will be available. I think it will be the course validity, which is about 6 months or 1 year validity. Okay, I'll update. I think moreover it will be around 1 year validity. Okay, and other than that, you are going to get the community link, guys. Okay, so the community. So you can be part of our paid participants community, which is out there. So hub.warriors.way. So on that community, you'll be part once you have registered for the course. Can you give the quiz link again? Okay, so I'll give the quiz link again. How many hours? Actually, each and every course which is about 30 days, except the Python, the 3 course, data science, which is a 30 days course, AI, which is a 30-day course, and machine learning, which is a 30-day course, and Python, which has been based on the like individual tutorials. Okay. Where can we get the attendance for 3 courses? No need for attendance. That attendance which is going to be taken automatically by the course portal itself. Deepak, after paying for the course, what happens? You will be enrolled into the portal. The portal name is learn.pantechsolutions.net, and your course will be enrolled within 12 hours. Okay, once your course will be enrolled, you can start learning from this portal, guys. Okay. A link to pay for the courses. Actually, Deepanshu, the link which is given in the live chat, you can click that link and register for the courses. Kantre Kumar, Pandas also covered. Yes, Pandas is also covered. Where can we get the details of 4 courses? You can click the link and you can scroll down to get the detail of the courses. You can see the courses. I think machine learning is there, data analytics is there, artificial intelligence is there, Python is also there. So you can see the course details which is out there, and you can also see the values. So recorded videos, online support through forums, and all videos access for 6 months, I think. Okay, and 4 certificates. Download all source codes, PPTs, internship certificates, assignments. So which is going to be there. I know. Will you teach, sir, in those 4 bundles? Yes, I'm going to be your instructor for this complete 4 courses, guys. Guys, is there any other questions? Any other technical questions? If you have, you can ask now. Okay, feel free to ask the questions, guys. Ask last question as much you can. Are these lectured by you? Yes, Kandrik Kumar. Yes, the lectures is just by me. How much time do I need to spend the time to complete the internship? Spend at least 2 hours per day. So definitely it will be very helpful to complete the course very faster. NumPy and then Pandas. Yes, on the upcoming days, we are going to explain that. Okay, don't worry about it. Community platform is separate kind of social media. It is not a Facebook, it is not a Telegram, it is not a WhatsApp. It is different kind of community where you haven't experienced hereafter, I think. Okay, sorry, before, I think. Okay, so definitely you just please register for the courses, and for those paid participants you will be getting a link for participating on the orientation live session. From that orientation live session you will be getting a link for joining on the community. Okay. What about the doubt for the coding? Yes, you can raise your questions on the forum. That forum link you will get soon. Okay, so that is in the development now. So still now, so that will be updated very soon, guys. For 400, it is not available, guys. You just see the courses which is being provided by the people, guys. Nowadays, AI courses which is in the price of 70,000, 80,000, 50,000. 1,50,000. So now we are providing at the 999 rupees. We are providing this 4 courses. It is really not happening in anywhere else. So this is the only chance, guys. R language is enough to become a data analyst. R language is optional. You can go for Python directly, but R programming is your optional. You can choose either Python or R. So moreover, you can choose first of all Python, completed Python, and then you just move on to the R programming. Nana Kach. The course has many projects, and what about the theory as a beginner? Don't worry, it is application based learning, which is nothing but, for an example, if there is a project like Titanic survival prediction using support vector machine. So first of all, we'll be covering a theory concept part. We'll be covering how the support vector machine algorithm will work, and then we used to learn some programming syntax, and we used to build a project. So this is what the complete application based learning. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. Okay, and before ending the session, you can also connect with me through LinkedIn, guys. My LinkedIn link is also given in the description below. If you really want to connect with me, so you are instructor me, if you really want to connect with me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link is also given in the description below. You just click that link and connect with me through the LinkedIn. And if you guys really having that 4-in-1 course, doubts, you can call to this number or WhatsApp to this number 730-584-5758. And another main thing, guys, we are providing that 4 courses only today. The people who are all going to register today, for those people only, you are going to get the 4 courses: Python course, AI course, machine learning course, and then data analytics course. Okay, if you really want that 4 courses at the price of 999 rupees, today is the only way. So you just click that link now and register for that and get the 4 courses today. Okay, so and if you guys really want to know about any project or product, please visit pantechsolutions.net. And you can also follow us on the Instagram link is also given in the description below. And you can also follow us on our Facebook and our LinkedIn. And if you really want to follow me personally, you can also follow me through personally through my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is also given in the description below, guys. Charan, sir, I am from mechanical background, but I was interested in AI. So how can go? Please blindly click that link and register for that, Charan, because there are a lot of artists, there are a lot of people who guys have shifted from mechanical department to become a data analyst or data scientist. So you can switch your transition, guys. Okay. So please click that link and be part of a community and learn it from the scratch. Learn it in the very effective way, application based learning. The course completely from the scratch. Exactly, guys. It is completely from the scratch. Okay, don't worry. It is completely from the scratch. Can you extend the offer till tomorrow? I'm really sorry. I can't able to make that decision. But based on our management thing, so only today we are about to giving this 4 courses at the price of 999, guys. Any databases used? Yes, we have covered the basic about MySQL and then MongoDB. Is Python or R language easier to learn? KG1 gamers, Python is going to be very easy for you. Dharmendra Kumar, don't worry. Once the payment is done, it may take nearly like 12 hours of 12 hours of time to enroll you into the courses. Okay, so yeah, so please wait for 12 hours. Not mandatory 12 hours. I think they may started enrolling to the course now itself, but please wait maximum 12 hours. Okay. A refund, it is not available. Sorry, Anoma, it is not available. Motivational quotes. Pantech e-learning is giving same at 750. Guys, I'm telling you, Pantech e-learning is completely different from us. Okay, we are different divisions. Okay, if you all really want my lectures, okay, so you just have your attention. If you really want my lecture, Sanjay's lecture, you can start registering from the Pantech Pro Labs Private Limited. Especially always ask for Warriors Way, guys. Okay, if you guys really want my lecture, please ask for Warriors Way. Okay. So a lot of people are getting confused with the e-learning. Okay, Pantech e-learning is completely different from us, guys. Okay, if you really want my courses, especially, you just click the link and register for my courses, guys. Guys, did you guys really enjoy today's session? Did you guys got really a huge value today? So if you really enjoy today's session and if you guys have got huge value today, you just post "I'm happy Sanjay" in your live chat. Like, because I really want this live chat need to be filled with a lot of positivity and happiness in the live chats. So if you're really happy with today's session and today's value which we have given today, because from tomorrow I think we are started working as a hands-on. Okay, today only theoretical, but tomorrow we are gonna be completely hands-on and project also. So if you're really happy with today's session, you just post "I'm happy Sanjay" in your live chat, guys. Okay. Happy Sanjay, wonderful, wonderful. I'm happy. Motivational King, Surya, Kiran, Saurya, and Bharat, and Sushivam, Raghavendra Sharma sir, and Dikshant, and Snehal, and Pooja Rajendran, and Ankur, Papu Jadav, and Alok, and Shillian. I paid both 750 to 999. Definitely you'll get a refund of 750. Don't worry. If you are registered today, I'm speaking. Okay, not previously. Okay, if you accidentally paid today, you will get a refund. Okay, don't worry. Thank you so much, guys. Aniket Shukla, Abhinav, Padiprabha, and Kandre Kumar, Neha, Shivasurya, Aishu, Deepanshu, and Sherab. Thank you so much, Sherab, for coming back to the session. Bharat Ratava, and Deepak Mulusare, and Deepanshu. Thank you so much. Arun Kumar, and Mahendra, and Koyalkar, Rajesh, Satish. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting happy, happy, happy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for attending this today's event. Thank you so much for your patience, which you have handled throughout this day. And again, I'm telling you, if you really want this 4 courses, today is the last day. So this is a one-day offer, which we are providing 4 courses at the price of 999. If you really want that, you just click the link, which I given the link, which is given in the live chat. So you just click the link and register for that internship where you're going to get 4 courses at the price of 999. It is a only day offer because we usually provide a single courses at the price of 999, but now we are providing 4 courses at the price of 999. If you really want that, you just click that link and get that 4 courses at the price of 999. 4 courses, which is nothing but Python, artificial intelligence 30 days course, data analytics 30 days course, and then machine learning 30 days internship. So 4 courses, 4 internship certificate, and a huge value, which it is going to include data sets, source codes, mind maps, presentation, trained model files. So a lot more things you are going to get at the price of only 999, guys. So you just click the link and register for the internship. So today is the last day to get that 4-in-1 internship at the price of 999, guys. So thank you so much for your love and support, which you guys have spread a lot of positivity in your live chat. So thank you so much for doing that, and please don't forget to follow me on the LinkedIn as well. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.